Hey, what's up and welcome to the video. So in today's video we will talk about the CC strategy and we will talk about how you can use it to actually make money with Instagram. It's one of my favorite strategies because that's actually a strategy that lots of my students already use to make thousands of dollars, that I used to at the beginning when I first started my personal brand and everything, that I used to make a lot of money, and it's a great way to get started when it comes to making money, and you can actually use it and build a funnel out of that strategy later on, but we will talk about that inside one of the live calls, and you can then use that funnel strategy in combination with the CC strategy to make like way more money, and to even make like $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 and even more per month with Instagram, okay? And what the CC strategy basically is, it basically stands for, what the CC stands for is for coaching calls, okay? And what coaching calls are is basically like if you go into a specific niche, if you, for example, have the red line on your Instagram account, and the red line is Instagram, or how to make money with Instagram, or how to build a brand on Instagram, or how to build a personal brand on Instagram, or how to start an online business, or how to do affiliate marketing, what you can simply do is you can just document your journey, right? Your journey on that red line. So for example, if you have the red line, making money with Instagram or building a following on Instagram, is what you can basically then do is you can document your journey, how you do it, how you build your following on Instagram, or how you make money with affiliate marketing through Instagram, or how you, for example, make money with email marketing or with YouTube, whatever. And you can just document your journey. You can be like, okay, look guys, this is what I did today. Today I made $37, or today I got 50 new followers. This is what I'm doing in the next few days. This is what I will do tomorrow. This is what I'm working on right now. And if you just document that journey on a daily basis in your Instagram story, and sometimes even the feed and the caption and live streams and all that good stuff, people then will one day message you, be like, yo, I want to learn this stuff too. I want to learn how it works, okay? So what you basically have to do is, you have to, we talked about that in the last video, you have to sell the new opportunity. You have to sell the opportunity that you offer. If it's Instagram, YouTube, affiliate marketing, whatever, you sell that new opportunity, you show people how it works, you show people what's possible with it, and you then just, inside your Instagram story, inside of live streams, and inside of the feed, but mainly in the Instagram story, you just document your journey. So for example, if you want to sell coaching calls and teach people how to like build a following on Instagram, how to get followers on Instagram, what you can simply do is you can just document how you grow your Instagram account, okay? So day one, you can be like, okay, I just started with Instagram University 3.0 of Niklas Peder, and my goal is to, let's say, like get 10,000 followers in the next 60 days. I want to build this Instagram account. I want to provide value to you. Today on the, I don't know, like 12th of December 2019, I'm getting started, and I have 0 followers right now, but yeah, I just want to document my journey, and I will show you guys how everything works, how I grow my account, and I will just document the journey. And then maybe a day later, or 2 days, or 3 days, or a week later, you can be like, oh yeah, guys, thanks so much for like 500 followers. I started 1 week ago, now already have 500 followers. Let's see what will happen with the next 7 days. And then maybe you get a post with 1,000 likes, and you can be like, yo guys, thanks for 1,000 likes. 1.5 weeks ago, I never thought that this would even be possible. And you just document your journey. You show people what's possible. You show people the progress, right? And you just document it, and then at one point you can just be like, yo guys, lots of you guys have been asking me inside the Instagram DM how it works, and whether, you know, you guys can learn it from me. And I will do like a special offer for like a few people. I will offer some coaching calls where I show you one-on-one how you can actually get the same results, okay? And then you can just be like, inside the Instagram story, and say something like, okay, send me DM right now if you're interested in a coaching call. It's $100. Like $100, that's probably the price point that I would get started with, but it really depends on how many followers you have and what your expertise is. So maybe, for example, you already like have lots of knowledge about, for example, fitness, or about YouTube, or about email marketing, and you can then obviously put the price up even to $1,000 or $2,000. Okay, so I, for example, right now, for just one coaching call, like charged for $1,000. Sometimes, like I do it less. I don't promote it on my Instagram account, but sometimes in the Instagram DM, people ask me for coaching calls, and I sell them for $1,000 for like 30 minutes, right? But yeah, that's basically how it works. You document your journey in the red line, or you document the journey of the new opportunity that you're offering, and then you can just sell coaching calls, okay? And then when you do the first coaching call, okay, you're on the phone with the person, you can take a screenshot, you can be like, oh, yo, I just did a coaching call with blah, blah, about blah, blah, and it was amazing, and I have 3 spots left for this week, so if you're interested in the coaching call, if you want me to show you how blah, 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 blah works, then send me a DM, it's $100, and we can get started today and do the call, okay? And that's what you just upload to Instagram, to your story, and that's how it works. It sounds stupid, and it sounds too simple to be true, but it's working, okay? It works in any industry, in any like, for any new opportunity. Just document your journey, document the process, and then you can just sell coaching calls, okay? But remember, don't just sell the coaching calls. Don't just try to sell your product. Sell the new opportunity. Most of the time, like 80% of the time, you shouldn't talk about your product. You should talk about the new opportunity. You should document your journey. And then 20% of the time, you can be like, oh, by the way, I'm offering some coaching calls here, check it out. Because look, people will purchase from you once they believe that the new opportunity that you're offering will help them, or that they will like get the results that they want with that new opportunity. When they believe it, then they will buy your product. So spend 80% of your time talking and selling the new opportunity, and then take 20% of your time, or 20% of the content that you put out. You can use that 20% to actually then sell your product. And that's how making money with coaching calls in general, with all other strategies, works. Okay, so yeah, that's it for the video. Be excited for the next few live calls and everything, because in it we will deep dive into selling, into persuasion, how selling actually works. I will give you some live examples and all that good stuff, and I will also work on like an ebook and all that good stuff for you guys that you will then probably find here anywhere in the members area. It's going to be like free, and in it I will basically give you some sales strategies. I will give you some case studies and all that good stuff. And yeah, you can then take a look at it, okay? So yeah, that's what I'm working on right now with my team. It will be ready soon. And yeah, be excited for it. And I will then see you inside the next video. And if you have any questions about the coaching call strategy, if you need help with something, just join the next live call. It's 100% free if you're inside the VIP program. And yeah, that's it for the video. And I will see you inside the next one.